Hey guys, so we're gonna get straight into it. I separated my hair into subsections so that I could detangle. And today's products include the Do Grow Hair Polisher Shining Mist, the M.U.A.H Natural Coconut Oil, As I Am Smoothing Gel, and Kanekalon. I got 2 packs of M33 and 1B. And last but not least, Xpression's Free Tress Hair in the style Berry Curl. So I started on this side of my hair. I already separated them off. There's a big braid, this small braid in my hand, and then there's a bigger braid above it. I'm going to oil my hair and put the gel on the smallest one in between. I'm going to start on the small braids first because honestly, guys, I filmed on this side, but I was looking at the mirror in front of me. So basically what I'm saying is I'm going to show you the small braids first, and on the other side, we'll start with the third braid. And yeah, just follow me. Yeah, so I had a little bit of help with the parting, and it's not perfect because I'm doing it on my own head, but it worked out very well. So I'm finishing this up, and then I'm gonna head on to the braid, the smallest braid in the middle of my head.
Go, here we go. Here we go. What's going on, baby?
So don't be alarmed. Like I said, the biggest braid that you see right there on the other side is the one I'm going to show you. But let me finish the small braid because my mirror is in front of me and you guys couldn't see the 2 braids that I started. So I'm going to show you next, after this, how I start my feet ends. Alright, so I'm going in with my hair polisher. You guys are going to see me use this a lot because I'm starting on freshly co-washed and blow-dried hair. And I have like my hair is 1B, but in other places it's like sandy brown, but it is 1B. And I just need it to look sleek and not so much blow-dried because I was not straightening my hair this time around. So yeah, you're just gonna see me smoothing that As I Am gel through my hair. I'm gonna start out with this small piece right here, and here are my 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of braiding hair, and you can add more. They just gradually get bigger. I'm starting with this very small piece, and I'm going to begin braiding. And guys, I am not using the stitch method only because my hair is not straight, and it's just going to be some regular feet ends, but this is not the stitch method. I just added my next piece of hair, and as you guys go, you're just going to keep on adding it in. And towards the end, you're going to see me add more gel, and then I'm going to add the Xpression Free Tress hair and begin blending those 2 hair textures together towards the top, just so towards the bottom it won't look like I just added some silky curly hair. And you can leave a piece or 2 out. Remember, this is very freestyle, it's supposed to look very natural. So I'm gonna go ahead, grab the scissors, and I'm going to snip the braiding hair so all you see is the curly hair on the ends. And we're going to come back to fluff them out at the end. And I didn't show you guys the rubber bands. You need to go ahead and secure the ends. You can see the stress in my face, guys. When I say I started maybe late afternoon, like evening, like 5 something, I didn't get finished until like 2 in the morning. It was terrible. Now you guys see what I'm talking about. You can see this side of my head. I'm adding my gel, and I'm going to detangle. I'm going to start by adding this little piece in the front. And I'm going to go ahead and speed up this clip for the sake of time. And this is what I was talking about when I said we're going to fluff them out. This is what I mean. And here you get a closer look of me adding the curly hair to the end. And for my edge control, I'm going to be using Style Factor's Edge Booster. It's water-based. I absolutely love this product. It keeps my hair laid down all day. The only thing I have to do is actually put water on it because it does dry, because it is water-based, I believe. But yeah, oil and water will solve that. And do not forget to cut off the braiding hair. We have one more left and I am loving it so far. By now I am so tired and irritated. This is getting on my nerves and I just want to be done. Now I'm done all 6 braids. I'm going to go back in with the Style Factor and just make sure my edges are laid. Even though I'm going right to bed, it's for my satisfaction. I look so angry and just over it. But I'm loving my hair. I'm going to add some more oil, coconut oil, and get ready to tie down my scarf. You can use a scarf or an old t-shirt. Just make sure it's covered. I slept like a princess that night. And here I am the next day. Face on, hair laid. Take the scarf off. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you can touch your braids up because I know how it can be. Some people sleep crazy and that scarf might come off. So you're gonna add some more oil just to freshen them up. Can never be too moisturized. I'm a clown. And once again, I am going to go back in with the Style Factor, and then I'm going to spray some wet leave-in conditioner on them just so that it doesn't turn white on me. I need them to last all day. I love this stuff. This is the Placenta Plus Coconut Oil Leave-In Instant Conditioning Treatment. That was a mouthful. I'm going to try to find this and link it down below for you. I love this stuff. I use it on my hair when it's freshly washed and all that stuff. So it's good stuff. Now I'm just gonna go through looking for those loops that I left and cut them for curly pieces. And I'm gonna go ahead and spread these braids wide, just separating them and fluffing them out. Now, if you have natural hair like myself, Kanekalon is good for this style. But if you're going to straighten it, which I would like to do next time probably, I would recommend some Xpression or even some pony hair to give it that silky water curl look that you really want to go for. But this works just as fine because I did not want to put heat to my hair. But I'm actually loving this. And that's exactly why I put the free Tress hair towards the ends, just so it could give it that look that I was going for. And here I am showing you my layers. It should gradually get longer towards the middle 2 braids. And I'm going to spray my hair one more time with my polisher mist, just so that kinky hair is nice and silky looking. Then I'm going to add some hair rings just to give it some life. that just about does it for me. I'm going to go in with the Kera Care Oil Sheen with Humidity Block. And there it is. We are done. I am loving it. If you love this style as much as I do, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. All the products I use today will be down in the description. I want to thank you for watching today. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.